Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today we are just going to study some pronunciation from Units 1 and 2 of W.I.S.E Starter. First, we will simply look at pronouncing the letters of the alphabet. First, let's just read through the alphabet. Everybody? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Notice I said Z for the last letter. That's because I'm British. An American would say Z. Right. Now we're going to do a quiz. I will read one of the letters and you choose the letter on your worksheet. For example, number 1 is D. D. Number 2, T. T. Number 3, G. G. Number 4, J. J. Number 5, B. B. Number 6, P. P. Number 7, C. C. Number 8, S. S. Number 9, E. E. Number 10, L. L. Now pronunciation from Unit 2 of W.I.S.E Starter, the 10th tent. Let's look at some words with either t or th. T or th. Let's read the words, everybody. Thin, tin, thick, tick, 3, tree, thank, tank, tenth, tent, eighth, 8, fourth, fought, both, boat. Again, we will try a quick quiz. I will read a word and you write the word on your worksheet. The first one as an example, number 1 is tent. Tent. Number 2, 3. 3. Number 3, 8th. 8th. Number 4, tank. Tank. Number 5, tin. Tin. Number 6, fourth. Fourth. Number 7, boat. Boat. Number 8, thank. Thank. Number 9, 8. 8. Number 10, 10th. 10th. Okay, that's the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.